How's it, guys? Okay, so your tonesto timer is not as complicated as what you may think it is. I know it seems like a little bit of, it could become overwhelming at first, but it's really not that hard. You see at the top left hand side, if you look carefully, there's a dot, a line, a dot, and a line. Now that dot means off, the line means on. Then it's a dot, off, and the line on. Okay, now that will only function, this will only function if this is set onto actual timer. Now you see, if you look carefully there, it says auto and perm. Perm means permanently on, auto means timer. So it's on timer now. Now that, if you were to set this on here, on permanently, this won't actually work when this clicks over. So you must have it on timer. Okay, now instead of having your 12 o'clock mark where the normal clock is 12, 6, 3, and 9, this one works where this arrow is there. Just trying to focus here. Okay, where that arrow is there is your 12 o'clock mark. All right, so let's say the time now is 9 o'clock in South Africa. So you want to set this to 9 o'clock. The time now, that 9 will be there. So there you can actually go a little bit more because now you've got 50, so it's 8:50. And you want to bring that to a 0. So there. Okay, so that's 9 o'clock now. Now let's say, for instance, you wanted to come on at let's say 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, you're going to push these dials in. Booyah. Okay, 12. We're going to have it set from 12 until, let's say, 2. Okay, there we go. So that's 12 until 2. So it will come on at 12 o'clock and it will turn off at 2 o'clock. You can run unlimited sequences, well, as many as you can fit on, but anyway. So if this was coming on 12 until 2, and then you can have it go on again the next morning at about 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's say till 8. Just a little bit of a mission if you've got big hands, but anyway. Okay, well, let's pretend that one is in anyway. I can't get my finger under there. But let's say we wanted to do, so that will be until 8. Hold on. Found something that will work. There we go. All right, so we've got one sequence from 12 until 2 and another sequence from 6 until 8. And that's pretty much it. I mean, that's very straightforward of how to set this tonesto. Very easy. You'll see if I turn this now, obviously this now will click over, the red piece will click over. Ding, and there we go. And it's on the on mark, the line. When it turns off, it'll go onto the dot. Ding. There we go. Awesome, man. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.